Imagine this. Just a few years ago, someone who invested $100 in Bitcoin would now be sitting on thousands of dollars. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the reality. Most people who jump into crypto today end up losing money because they don't know the rules, fall for hype or panic when the market dips. What if I told you that with the right strategy, even beginners can start investing safely, avoid the common mistakes, and potentially see serious growth in their portfolio? In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about investing in crypto, from Bitcoin to popular altcoins like Ethereum and Solana, and show you a clear roadmap for getting started without risking your financial future. You'll learn what crypto really is, why people are investing millions into digital coins, how to safely buy your first crypto, and most importantly, how to pick coins that have real potential rather than falling for empty hype. Whether you're completely new to crypto or have dabbled a little and felt lost, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how the crypto world works, how to protect your investments, and how to make informed decisions that could change your financial future. So stay tuned, because I'm about to take you step by step through a beginner-friendly, smart, and practical guide to crypto investing that most people wish they knew before they lost money in this market. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital money that exists entirely online. Unlike traditional currencies, like the US dollar or euro, crypto doesn't rely on banks or governments to manage it. Instead, it operates on something called a blockchain, which is a decentralized digital ledger that records every transaction safely and transparently. Think of it as a giant, unhackable notebook that everyone can see, but no one can tamper with. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Bitcoin introduced the concept of a peer-to-peer digital currency that doesn't need banks, meaning anyone can send or receive money anywhere in the world instantly. But Bitcoin is just the beginning. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, called altcoins, like Ethereum, which adds smart contracts and decentralized applications, or Solana, known for its fast transactions and low fees. Cryptocurrencies are powered by complex computer networks that solve cryptographic puzzles to confirm transactions. This process is called mining for coins like Bitcoin or validation for others. Crypto can be stored in digital wallets, which can be online, offline, or hardware devices. The key advantage of cryptocurrency is that it allows people to control their money directly without relying on banks, governments, or intermediaries. But it's important to remember that while crypto offers opportunities for high returns, it also comes with high volatility. Prices can skyrocket, but they can also drop dramatically. Understanding what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it exists is the first step toward investing safely. Before buying your first coin, it's crucial to grasp these fundamentals so that you don't make mistakes driven by hype or misinformation. Why people invest in crypto? People invest in crypto for one simple reason: potential growth. Over the past decade, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have delivered returns that traditional investments like stocks or bonds could only dream of. Bitcoin, for instance, started at less than $1 per coin and now trades for tens of thousands, making early investors millionaires. But it's not just about profits. Crypto also represents the future of money. With growing adoption, more companies, banks, and even governments are exploring digital currencies, making them increasingly mainstream. Some people invest because they believe in the technology blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized finance. DeFi could disrupt traditional financial systems and reshape how we handle money, contracts, and even identity verification. Others see crypto as a hedge against inflation. Unlike fiat money, many cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, have a capped supply, meaning no central authority can print more. This scarcity can protect against the eroding effects of inflation that fiat currencies experience over time. Then there's diversification. Savvy investors often add crypto to their portfolios to spread risk across different asset classes. However, it's critical to understand that crypto comes with high volatility. Prices can swing 10 to 20% in a single day. Emotional trading, chasing hype, or investing without knowledge can lead to major losses. That's why understanding why you're investing is crucial. Are you in for long-term growth, to experiment with technology, or to try your luck on short-term gains? Knowing your why will guide your strategy and prevent panic decisions when the market fluctuates. Crypto offers enormous opportunities, but only if approached with knowledge, discipline, and patience. Bitcoin versus altcoins. When starting in crypto, it's essential to understand the difference between Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin is the first and most trusted cryptocurrency. It has the largest market capitalization and is often referred to as digital gold. Many investors see it as a safer, long-term store of value. Bitcoin's scarcity there will only ever be 21 million. Coins makes it especially appealing for those looking to hedge against inflation or store wealth digitally. Altcoins, on the other hand, are all other cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. These include Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and thousands more. Altcoins often bring new technology, unique use cases, and higher growth potential, but with higher risk. Ethereum, for example, allows developers to create decentralized applications and smart contracts, which adds real-world value beyond just payments. Solana offers lightning-fast transactions, making it suitable for gaming and finance applications. Investing in altcoins can yield massive returns if you pick winners early, but the volatility is extreme, and many projects fail completely. For beginners, a common strategy is to focus the majority of their investment on Bitcoin for stability, then allocate a smaller portion to select altcoins to capture potential growth. This balance allows you to benefit from the security of Bitcoin while exploring opportunities in newer projects. Understanding the differences in purpose, risk, and adoption between Bitcoin and altcoins is crucial before you invest. Don't just chase hype or the latest trending coin. Research their technology, team, and real-world use cases. Knowing where your money is going helps prevent losses and positions you for smarter, long-term investing. How to buy crypto? Buying cryptocurrency is easier than many beginners think, but doing it safely requires the right steps. First, you need a crypto exchange, which is an online platform where you can buy, sell, and trade digital coins. Popular beginner-friendly exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each platform has pros and cons, so check fees, security features, and user reviews. After choosing an exchange, create an account. This usually requires providing basic identification to comply with regulations. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds. Most exchanges accept bank transfers, credit, debit cards, or even PayPal in some cases. With money in your account, you can buy your first cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin, or Ethereum, or any other supported coin. But don't rush. Start small to familiarize yourself with the process before committing larger sums. After purchasing crypto, you need a wallet. A wallet is where your digital coins are securely stored. There are different types: hot wallets, which are connected to the internet for convenience, and cold wallets, which are offline for maximum security. Hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor are highly recommended for long-term investors because they protect your coins from hacks. Always enable two-factor authentication to FA on your exchange accounts to prevent unauthorized access. Remember, crypto ownership is responsibility. You control your money, and if you lose your private keys, recovery is nearly impossible. Learning how to safely buy, store, and manage your coins is as important as picking which crypto to invest in. By following these steps, beginners can confidently enter the crypto market while minimizing risks. Safe investing strategy. Investing in crypto can be profitable, but only if you follow a disciplined, safe strategy. First, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Crypto markets are highly volatile, and prices can swing 10 to 20% in a single day. Starting small is the key for beginners. Even $50, $100 per month can grow substantially over time if invested wisely. One of the most effective strategies is dollar cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. By doing this, you buy more coins when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, reducing the impact of volatility. Long-term holding, or HODling, is another cornerstone of safe investing. Instead of constantly buying and selling based on emotions or trends, hold your crypto for months or years to maximize growth potential. Diversification is also critical. Don't put all your money into a single coin. A balanced portfolio with a mix of Bitcoin for stability and a few altcoins for growth opportunities reduces risk. Avoid leveraged trading and borrowing money to invest. These can amplify losses and are extremely risky for beginners. Security practices should never be ignored. Always use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and store large amounts of crypto in cold wallets offline. Regularly reviewing your investments and keeping up with market trends is important, but don't let every news headline drive panic decisions. Safe investing in crypto is about patience, knowledge, and discipline. By following these principles, you protect your portfolio from unnecessary losses, while giving your investments the chance to grow steadily over time. This strategy separates successful crypto investors from those who lose money chasing hype or shortcuts. How to pick good altcoins. Altcoins are where opportunities meet risk. While Bitcoin is relatively stable, altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano can offer higher growth, but they can also fail completely. Choosing good altcoins requires careful research. First, examine the use case. Does the coin solve a real problem? For example, Ethereum powers smart contracts and decentralized apps, which gives it long-term value. Coins with vague purposes or promises of guaranteed profits are usually scams. Next, look at the team behind the project. Experienced developers, advisors, and strong leadership indicate credibility and potential success. The community is also crucial. Projects with active and engaged communities often perform better as adoption and support grow over time. Market capitalization gives insight into potential growth. Smaller cap altcoins can grow faster but carry higher risk, while larger cap altcoins are more stable but may have slower growth. Check transparency and roadmap. Legitimate projects publish white papers, development progress, and clear goals. Avoid coins with no clear information or anonymous teams. Red flags include unrealistic claims, aggressive marketing, and constant hype without substance. By doing proper research and analyzing use cases, teams, community, and market potential, you can pick altcoins with real growth opportunities rather than falling for hype. Beginners should allocate a small portion of their portfolio to altcoins while keeping the majority in Bitcoin for safety. This approach balances stability with growth potential and minimizes risk while allowing participation in the exciting world of altcoins. Biggest crypto mistakes. Crypto investing is exciting, but beginners often make mistakes that cost them money. One of the biggest errors is buying hype. Seeing a coin trending on social media or news and jumping in without research often leads to losses when the hype fades. Another common mistake is panic selling. Market dips happen frequently. Selling in fear during a crash locks in losses and prevents potential gains when the market recovers. Lack of research is a huge problem. Many people invest in coins without understanding the technology, purpose, or team behind the project. This exposes them to scams and low-quality projects that fail entirely. Speaking of scams, crypto is rife with fraudulent projects promising guaranteed returns, referral bonuses, or insider secrets. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Investing borrowed money is another dangerous practice. Leverage can amplify profits, but it can also wipe out your savings in seconds in a volatile market. Security mistakes are also common. Failing to use two-factor authentication, sharing private keys, or storing crypto on exchanges without proper security can result in permanent loss. Emotional investing. Buying when greedy and selling when fearful is the fastest path to losses. Following the crowd, trying to time the market, or chasing pumps are behaviors that hurt most beginners. The solution is discipline. Do research, have a strategy, invest only what you can afford, and use proper security. Understanding these mistakes before you start investing is critical. By avoiding hype, panic, and poor security practices, you drastically increase your chances of success. Crypto offers enormous opportunities, but only for those who approach it with caution, patience, and knowledge. Learning from common mistakes now will save you from costly lessons later. Future of crypto. The future of cryptocurrency is both exciting and uncertain. Over the last decade, crypto has grown from a niche experiment to a global phenomenon, with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the way. Increasing adoption by companies, banks, and even governments suggests that digital currencies are becoming a mainstream part of our financial system. Blockchain technology, which powers crypto, has applications beyond money. Smart contracts, decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and supply chain tracking are just a few examples. These innovations could fundamentally change how we transact, invest, and interact online. Many experts predict that cryptocurrencies will continue to grow in popularity and value over the next decade, though volatility will remain. New coins and technologies will emerge, offering opportunities for high returns, but also risks for failure. Regulation will play a key role in shaping the market. Governments around the world are exploring how to regulate crypto, which could bring legitimacy, protect investors, and reduce scams, but it could also limit some freedoms currently enjoyed in decentralized systems. Long-term investors need to focus on technology adoption, real-world use cases, and market trends rather than short-term price swings. Diversifying between established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum and promising altcoins can position investors to benefit from the overall growth of the crypto ecosystem. While the path forward may have ups and downs, crypto represents a financial revolution that is here to stay. Those who understand the fundamentals, stay disciplined, and make informed choices will likely benefit the most as this digital frontier continues to evolve. The future belongs to informed investors who are ready to navigate the risks while seizing the opportunities crypto offers. Crypto investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a journey, and every expert you see today started right where you are now. Curious, cautious, and ready to learn. The key is knowledge, discipline, and patience. Remember, Bitcoin is your digital gold. Altcoins, like Ethereum and Solana, are your growth engines, and a smart, safe strategy is your shield against the market's wild swings. Start small, research every coin, avoid hype, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Crypto will test your emotions, but the investors who win are the ones who stay calm, stay informed, and stick to a strategy. The future of crypto is massive. Adoption is growing, technology is evolving, and opportunities are everywhere. But only those who act wisely today will benefit tomorrow. So take that first step. Open your wallet, make your first investment, and commit to learning every day. And remember, the market doesn't reward fear, it rewards knowledge and action. If you found value in this guide, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto and investing strategies, and comment below with the first coin you're excited to research or buy. Let's build your crypto journey together, and make sure your future self thanks you for starting today. Your crypto adventure starts now. Don't wait for the next wave, ride it.